How to download Kinemaster. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily download Kinemaster. Well, the process itself is particularly easy and simple, so let me guide you through. In order to download Kinemaster, you can simply head over to your Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you are on, whether Android or iOS respectively. Then you can search in Kinemaster at the search bar and you can see the Kinemaster app right here. If you don't get it here, you can head over to Google Chrome and head into the official Kinemaster website, which will give you the link for your Play Store or App Store in order to download the Kinemaster application. Once you download the application, you can open it up and you can start editing right away by tapping on Create New and choosing the project and starting over. So this is how you can easily download the Kinemaster application on your device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.